Got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and not sure what app to use? Here's the quick answer. If you're using a newer Samsung Galaxy phone with One UI 8 or later, you don't actually need any extra app, just connect your buds. Then, either open your phone settings and you will find a separate settings for Buds 4, or go to the Bluetooth settings and tap on the wheel icon beside the name of Galaxy Buds4 Pro. From any of these places, you can control things like noise cancellation, EQ, and other features. You'll need the Galaxy Wearable app. Now, if you're using another Android phone or an older Samsung device, you'll need the Galaxy Wearable app. If it's not pre-installed, just download it from the Play Store, and then set up the app and connect your Buds 4 with the Wearable app. Once connected to the app, from the Bluetooth settings, tap on the wheel icon and you will find all the internal settings in here that we have shown you. That's what unlocks features like 360 audio and advanced settings. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more simple tech knowledge.